I can't tell if this letter will get to you or if it will even arrive at all. But I want to write it anyway, just in case it does reach you somehow. And finds its way back into your hands once more. I love you. I know that sometimes I don't show it very well. In fact, there are times when I don't show it at all. But I know that I love you. I'm sorry for the times when I forget to tell you how much you mean to me. Sometimes I get so busy with work or other things that I forget how important our relationship is. When we are together, I want to spend as much time with you as possible. And when we are apart, all I want is to be with you again. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe the channel for more such videos.